Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
So, this is how the tenant for the house I do the place so long. See it there? This is how we deal with the house. It's a disaster. This is a house with somebody living in for over 20 years. Live here. He's not a madman. I mean, I'm right, man. See it there? Look there. This is the bathroom where him say I use. See the shower there where him say I use. This is the passage. See kitchen here. May I tell you about a house with somebody living in. See it there? Heap a bleach bottle and pack up. This is the bedroom now. See it there? See bed there where I sleep on. I eat this, man. Real meds. No joking matter. Real meds. I go outside now. Jano Star.
Me say, the room make you go like style G. Just it's like the smell start upset her stomach. No, you can hear it in her voice. It's like she just not feel good with it herself. I know me can't believe say somebody really live like that, you know. You know, I know me still put it to myself and think say that maybe them stage this thing for some form of views or something, because I just can't believe that somebody really live in that form of condition. You see me? You look on the fridge. The fridge the one side and the door there over the other side on the passage. You see me? The toothbrush them they look like all like toothbrush they use brushing teeth over the years. They pan the dress the same way. You get what I mean? So obviously buy a new toothbrush, so that means he keep himself clean. But at the same time look on the place. One at a time I see a pillar in the place put like that. You know, me swear that the person lie down in the bed same way. The clothes coming like they have a life of their own. Did you know so that the smell can be so strong you can feel it in your eyes? And as a landlord now, if you try to give them notice to leave the premises, them go and bring you a court and them go talk all kind of bad things about you, saying that you're not a good person and all them things. You see how life set? But anyways, I don't know thing already. I'm not here to bash nor say anything bad about anyone. You get what I'm saying to you, and each to them own. So if they want to live or them feel comfortable living that way, that is their thing. You get what I'm saying to you? Anyways, I don't know. Me only bring to you what I had on social media. Only just make me know, wanna think about the whole situation like this. So me I said to you, yeah, the order make the landlord go, There's some stylogy settings. Believe me, she's very upset about it. Alright? Anyways, if you're brand new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this way just say the dancer Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, you know. Yes, it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance,